Hi, want to know how to turn off Siri on your iPhone with iOS 18? Then don't forget to watch this video until the end. So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this Siri tab. It's right under the search tab. So we would need to open it, and first step that we are going to take a look on is talk to Siri. So we would need to open it, and here instead of Siri or Hey Siri and just Hey Siri, we would need to choose this last option, which is named off, which means that your Siri won't react on her name or anything else. And now here we would need to also disable this feature, press side button for Siri, so you can't even accidentally call her out. So I'll click on this green slider to disable it, and here click turn off Siri. And this is it. We have successfully disabled the Siri voice assistant. That's all. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.